Imagine a card game where you can see everyone's hand except your own. That's Hanabi. Your cards face away from you, toward the table, and your friends spend the whole game dropping careful hints about what you're holding, while the clock burns down. Welcome back to the ABCs of table games. Is H for Hanabi. Hanabi means fireworks in Japanese, and the story of the game is charming. The fireworks show has been thrown into disarray, and your troupe must reassemble the display together before it all literally blows up. Here's what makes it unlike anything else at your table. Nobody competes. 2 to 5 players, about 30 minutes, and everyone wins or loses as one. The enemy isn't sitting across from you. The enemy is miscommunication. By the end of this video, you'll know the backwards hand setup, the 3 actions you can take, how the token economy works, how the game ends, and how your final display gets judged. Faces forward, everyone. Point number 1, the setup, including the rule that makes everyone laugh the first time. The deck contains 5 colours of fireworks: red, green, blue, yellow and white, each numbered 1 through 5. Crucially, the numbers aren't evenly distributed. Low cards are plentiful, but there is only 1 5 of each colour. Guard the 5s with your life. Shuffle and deal. 5 cards each with 2 or 3 players, 4 cards each with 4 or 5 players. Now the famous rule. You must not look at your own cards. Pick them up facing outward so everyone at the table can see them, except you. Yes, it feels absurd. Yes, someone will peek by accident in your first game. Forgive them once. Complete the setup with 2 supplies on the table. The fuse tokens, stacked with the explosion hidden at the bottom, your 3 strikes, and the clue tokens, which fuel every hint given in the game. Point number 2, what your troupe is building. One rule of construction governs everything. Together, the table builds 1 stack per colour in the centre. Each stack must be built in strict order. The 1 first, then the 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Play a card that doesn't fit, a colour's 3 when its 2 isn't down yet, or a duplicate of something already played, and the play is invalid. The card is lost, and the team loses a fuse token. Lose the 3rd fuse, and the whole show explodes. Game over, curtain down, crowd weeping. At the end, your score is the sum of the top card of every stack. A perfect show of 5 completed fireworks scores the legendary 25. Feel the tension in that math. Every card played is a small act of faith, based entirely on hints your teammates have given you. Which brings us to the heart of the game. Point number 3, your turn. 3 choices, and every one of them costs something. On your turn, you take exactly 1 action. Action 1, give information. Spend 1 clue token from the table and tell 1 teammate something about their hand, either 1 colour or 1 number. And here's the strict part. You must indicate every card that matches. You have 2 greens, pointing to both. These 3 are 1s, all 3. No partial hints, no winks, no eyebrow theatre. If the clue tokens are all spent, this action is unavailable until someone earns them back. Action 2, discard. Announce it, choose a card you believe is useless and toss it, permanently. Your reward, return 1 clue token to the table, refueling the hint economy. The risk, remember there's only 1 5 per colour. Discard a 5 and that firework is capped forever. Point number 4, the token economy. This is the invisible machine that makes Hanabi a real game. Here's why Hanabi isn't just charades with cards. Hints are a currency, and the currency runs out. Every hint spends a clue token, every discard earns 1 back, and there's one lovely bonus. Complete a firework by playing its 5, and the table gets a free clue token back as a reward. The crowd cheers, the troupe refuels. This creates the tension of every single turn. Hoard your hints and your teammates play blind. Spend them freely and the well runs dry at the worst moment. Someone has to discard to refill the treasury, but every discard risks throwing away a card the show needs. And this is where teams get clever. Because hints are scarce, every hint carries weight. When a teammate spends a precious token to tell you this card is a 2, they're not making small talk. They're telling you something matters. Reading the intention behind a hint, that's the real game of Hanabi, and it's why the same group gets better and better together. Hanabi is proof that the best games aren't about beating people, they're about connecting with them. If you want more of that at your table, across the table is where you find live games, events, and teachers near you. No commitment, no friction, just show up and play. The link is in the description. Let the record show. The setup. 5 colours, 1 through 5, cards held facing away from you. The goal. Build each colour's stack in order, 1 to 5. The turn. Hint, discard or play. 1 action every turn. The economy. Hints cost tokens, discards and completed fireworks earn them back. The endings. 3 fuses gone means explosion, 5 stacks done means perfection, and an empty deck means final turns and a tallied score out of 25. Hanabi takes 5 minutes to learn and delivers something rare, a game where the whole table wins together, or explodes together. Either way, you'll want to play again immediately. The alphabet marches on. If you enjoyed working together, wait until you're slapping the table. The ABCs of table games continues with the next letter, and the series is just getting started. Subscribe so you never miss an episode, and click here to watch the next one now.